This could get way out of order. Oh, yeah. This could get way out of order. One time that I'm giving you a warning. Done enough all the drinks that you bought me. Now you're trying to get me to your apartment. Never been this high to slide up for somebody like you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Sunkissedlexi, and I'm here with another video, and I'm so excited for today because I will be discussing this waist trainer that I purchased from Amazon. And yeah, before I start this video, please do like, subscribe, and let's get into this video. So before I start, I love to give a little quote of encouragement and positivity. So today's quote says, "Be so busy improving yourself that you don't have time to pay attention to anything or anyone that distracts you from your growth." And I feel like that's so appropriate right now because, we're dealing with the coronavirus and, we have to quarantine and stay in our homes. So I feel like right now is a perfect time to reflect on our life, prioritize what's important to us, be surrounded by our family and friends who are in our homes, not like, mixing and mingling, but, calling each other, checking up on each other, checking to see how everyone is doing. Yeah, but let's get back into the purpose of this video. So like I mentioned, I purchased this waist trainer from Amazon. It was about $30. I have Amazon Prime, so it came in about 2 days. It was actually supposed to come on Saturday, which is today, but it actually came yesterday, so I was excited about that. Amazon Prime don't play. They get here on time, and even with the coronavirus going on, people have been saying that their packages have been coming later or have been delayed. My packages have been coming early. Some of them, I'm not gonna say all of them, but some of them have actually been coming early, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, like I said, this was $30. I actually had purchased a waist trainer prior to this one, and it was similar to the J-Scope belt, but when I had put it on, first of all, it wasn't the material that I expected it to be. I think the J-Scope, if I'm not mistaken, it doesn't really even tell you what materials, when you go on the J-Scope website, it doesn't tell you what materials are in the waist trainer. But I want to say that it was latex, or that it's a latex belt. The one that I got from Amazon was neoprene, so it wasn't having that sucking in effect as I expected it to. I feel like maybe the belt was definitely too big, because like the bottom part was easy to lift up. Like it just wasn't sucking in as I expected it to, and it wasn't really tight. It wasn't even tight as I wanted it to be, so bruh. Shut up! I ended up returning that because I felt like it was too big. It wasn't sucking in as I expected it to. It felt like it was just holding my shape, and obviously when you're getting a waist trainer, you're trying to suck in your curves, because I have love handles, and that's really what I'm trying to get rid of by wearing this belt. It doesn't really matter how much exercise I'm doing. Yes, I'm losing fat, but the love handles is really the hardest part for me to get rid of. And so I wanted the waist trainer to aid me in getting that hourglass shape. Yeah, but that belt wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, so I ended up returning it. So this one here is a latex belt, or a latex waist trainer. But I'm gonna get into the specifics of that in a second. So the packaging that it came in, again, I got it from Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime, so it came in like 2 days. So, it came in that white packaging, and then it was like folded up into this plastic bag. And the company, I guess, it's called Lady Slim, it's called Lady Slim, and it's by Nouveau Fit. And it says it's a Colombian latex waist cincher, 3-hook rose and black V2 new. And I got this in a size medium. On the sizing chart, it shows you like obviously what size to get. For me, it said that I should have gotten a large, but I looked at the review section and people were saying that, oh, you can get a size 1 or 2 down. I ended up just getting a size down because a small, yeah, I figured that wasn't gonna work out. I was already scared to get the medium because I'm like, yo, what if this doesn't fit? I mean, it doesn't take much effort to go and drop it off at UPS and send it back, but I just didn't want to go through that whole process considering I already did for the other one, the other waist trainer that I got. So I was like, I really don't feel like it. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the medium and cross my fingers and hope it fits. It fit, and it's sucking in everything like I want it to, so I'm happy about that. But sis, and that's the thing, like when I wanted to record this, I wanted to show you guys me putting it on and stuff, but I wanted to make sure that it fit, because if it didn't fit, then I can't even do the video. So I was like, let me just go try to put this on, and if it fits, great. But how hard it was to put it on, I was like, yeah, I'm not taking this off to then put it back on. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna have to see what it looks like on. Sorry, it was just a lot of effort. And it wasn't even that it was too small, like the hook didn't want to latch on, like just was not messing with me at all. It was really hard to get it on there, and it was like it was there but it just wouldn't hook on. So my hands were hurting, but I was just so determined to get this on, because guess what, I'm trying to get this body snatched. Like, even if Corona is still here, sis, I'm going to have my summer body. I'm gonna have my summer body, and I don't care, because guess what, I'm already 5 pounds down, and I'm just so happy to see that scale dropping. And for me, it's not even so much that the scale is dropping. I just want to get my body toned overall. I want to get my waist snatched. So even if I'm 165, 170, but I look the way that I want to look, like, it's honestly not even how much I weigh that matters to me. It's the way that I look. So even though the weight is dropping, like, I really want the areas, because I'm apple shaped, so that means I hold weight in my midsection and my arms and my face. So, and love handles are really hard to get rid of, so this waist trainer is gonna help me with that. And even if I'm dropping weight, the love handles are probably gonna be the last place that I lose it. And I'll be losing my butt too. So I'm trying to do like strength training and like HIIT exercises, and you know, obviously the gyms are closed, but I have a treadmill. So like I'll try to do sprints. I really don't like running. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't really care for cardio, but you know, I know that it's necessary in losing fat and stuff, so I do what I gotta do. But you know, I'll try to do sprints. I'll probably do like 2 or 3 sets. I'm trying to get up to the point where I can do 20 minutes. I also like run around my neighborhood, and I'll do like 1 minute walking, 1 minute running, 1 minute walking, 1 minute running, and just alternate between the two. I actually have an app on my phone that like has a timer, and it'll tell you like run, and then you'll run, and then they'll say walk, and then so it'll just alternate between the two, and that really helps. I'm just tired of not having that confidence in myself in the way that I look. I just want to look the way that I look, and I know that I can do it. You know, there's so many videos on YouTube of people losing weight and, you know, being consistent and disciplined, and I know that I can do that. I know that I can achieve the body that I want. So it just, all I have to do is just put in the effort, and now that we're home 24/7, I have no excuse, even though the gyms are closed. Okay, how many videos on YouTube have like HIIT exercises, home exercises? So the only thing is, I really want to grow my booty, and you need weights to do that. I have like dumbbells, but the exercises that really maximize sorry, my phone cut off. But yeah, I just really want to grow my booty, and I know to do that, you know, you want to use intense weights and low reps. And I'm not able to do that right now, but you know, I'm gonna work with what I got, and when everything blows over, I'll focus on that. So this is what the waist trainer looks like on. You know, you have the three different prongs, and then this is what the side is looking like. The back. And it goes all the way up. And it gives you a little back flat or whatever, but it's fine. It's giving me that shape that I want. Because my love handles, I'm gonna insert a picture of what my love handles look like, or my actual shape. I'll try to insert a picture of somebody who has like my body type. And I hate my love handles, and I just really want to get rid of them, honestly, because I want to tone my thighs. Let me see if you guys can see. Like, your girl got thighs. Your girl got thighs, and I really want to tone them. But honestly, if I could just get rid of my love handles, if this was my shape without the waist trainer on, like, I'd be straight. I'd be cool with that. You know, God didn't bless me when it came to, you know, my body shape. I didn't win in the gene pool when it came to that. I mean, I still love myself, period. You know, there's nothing wrong with self-improvement. But, you know, I didn't hit the lottery when it came to that. But it's okay. That means I just had to put effort in and achieve the body that I want. But, you know, it's straight over here. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I know I can do it. I just have to stay determined, and even if I fall off, like, I just need to hop right back on. Just because I miss a day, just because I miss 2 days of working out, or if I'm eating bad, like yesterday my mom went and ordered Domino's. I had me 2 slices, and that's okay. Like, it's fine to have days where you don't feel like eating healthy. So what? Just keep working. Try to eat as much vegetables and fruits as possible. You know, some people just wear the waist trainers and they don't really try to eat healthy and work out. Like, you know, that kind of goes hand in hand. People who get surgeries, who go right back to eating the way that they were eating before and not exercising, guess what? They gain the weight back. So I feel like if your goal is to achieve a nice shape and stuff, like, you should try to exercise and eat healthy. And like, I want to do that anyhow, because health is wealth. So even if I have a nice body, like, if I'm not working out, if I'm not eating right, you know, like, you want to live a long life and be there to see your family grow and stuff like that, you need to take care of your body, because your body is a temple. It's not even our own, it's the Lord's. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're just renting our body. So, you know, you are what you eat. And a lot of people say, just like, bodies are made in the kitchen. Bodies are made in the kitchen. It doesn't matter how much you work out, none of that. If you're not eating right, at the end of the day, you can work out every single day. I mean, unless you're working out the entire day, it doesn't matter. If you're eating crap, your body's gonna look like crap. Not necessarily, because some people have great genes. Lucky them. I didn't get that. My metabolism is clearly not as fast as I would want it to be, but you know, the point is, watch what you're eating, watching how much you eat. On top of me wearing this waist trainer, I've been trying to do intermittent fasting, which means that once 6 o'clock hits, I stop eating. I'll drink water, lots of water, and then I'll start eating the next day around like 10 a.m. That's what I try to do. So I'm doing that, and then I'll do another video on what I wanted to say. I'll do a whole nother video on that, but I'm gonna be trying to drink this detox tea. There's this company called, what is it? TLC. And they have this thing called NutriBurst and their detox tea that I've been seeing everywhere, and I actually was able to get a sample for 5 days. So it's 5 pounds in 5 days. So I'm going to do a whole nother video on that. I haven't even received it yet, so once I do, I will be recording that for you all and taking you guys on that journey. But I want to say thank y'all for watching this video. Please again, do like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video.